You sent me again to memorize it anyway. It was afternoon in December when it reminded you of the day when we bumped into each other, but it didn't.